We are Bosch Rexroth. Bosch Rexroth is a leader in factory automation. We have multi-technology solutions for factory automation application. We are already more than 10 years in the field of battery production and provide solution for the overall or entire value stream of battery production and beyond that. So meanwhile, we are looking also beyond battery production because other key questions like battery recycling, battery grid solution and so on are becoming more important in the overall, environment of batteries. This year we have changed our presentation. As I mentioned before, of course, we are doing battery production in the field of cell production. For example, there we provide now new solution sets, combination of, chain conveyors together with linear motor driven application in order to get cycle times down and get more quality in the production. We have also here on the back we show, for example, our linear or smart linear robot solution. That means there are solution kits, linear robot solution kits, which helps our end users or also integrators to get ready very fast application in order for battery production for the different processes. For example, here you see fitting or processes like dispensing processes, for example, general handling processes, or also press fit application, which can be integrated very fast. So it's a plug and produce solution over here. Furthermore, we are also involved in so-called end-of-line testing as well as battery discharging. So because right now our customers are already thinking about what happens after the use of the battery, so second life or recycling of batteries. There we offer also various solutions in order to get, for example, an automatic dismantling of the battery and preparation for the recycling of the battery. So also in this area, even the recycling process, we offer solution. But in the overall frame of factory automation, we have many new applications. Another news about the batteries, also battery packs are getting bigger and heavier. Even there, we have a new solution to get also or handle battery packs above 1 or 2 ton, for example. And this will help, I think, also our customers to be more successful and more productive in the field of batteries. So we decided to participate because the battery market is already or still in a big movement. So a lot of things are changing and there's a big dynamic as well inside. As I mentioned before, production is only one topic. Other topics like recycling, second use and so on are coming up, and therefore it is important to show our presence, show our solutions to get new contacts in the field, international contacts, and this is possible on this show, on the Battery Show Europe 2022.